Hello friends, welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video class, we will discuss NCERT textbook class 6 first lesson Who did Patrick's homework? Its question and answers. Textual exercises. First question. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? पैट्रिक ने क्या सोचा था कि उसकी बिल्ली किसके साथ खेल रही थी? यह वास्तव में क्या था? Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll, but it was a man of the tiniest size really. पैट्रिक ने सोचा था कि उसकी बिल्ली एक छोटी गुड़िया के साथ खेल रही थी, लेकिन वास्तव में यह एक सबसे छोटे आकार का आदमी था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? छोटे आदमी ने पैट्रिक को एक इच्छा पूर्ति कामना प्रदान क्यों की थी? The little man granted Patrick a wish because Patrick saved his life from the cat. छोटे आदमी ने पैट्रिक को एक इच्छा पूर्ति कामना प्रदान इसलिए की थी क्योंकि उसने बिल्ली से उसका जीवन बचाया था. क्वेश्चन 3. What was Patrick's wish? पैट्रिक की क्या इच्छा पूर्ति कामना थी? Patrick never liked doing his homework. Patrick wished that the elf should do all his homework until the end of the semester. Patrick अपना गृह कार्य करना पसंद नहीं करता था. Patrick की कामना थी कि यह छोटा प्राणी इस अध्ययन सत्र के समाप्ति तक उसका गृह कार्य करे. Question number 4. In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? पैट्रिक का गृह कार्य करने के लिए छोटे आदमी को किन विषयों में सहायता की जरूरत थी? The little man needed Patrick's help for doing his homework in math, English and history. छोटे आदमी की पैट्रिक की सहायता की आवश्यकता उसके गणित, अंग्रेजी और इतिहास के गृह कार्य करने में थी. How did Patrick help him? पैट्रिक ने उसकी सहायता किस प्रकार से की थी? Patrick sat beside the elf and whatever study material he needed, Patrick provided him by bringing books from the library. He also read out the books for him. पैट्रिक छोटे प्राणी के बगल में बैठ जाता था और जो कोई अध्ययन की सामग्री पैट्रिक पुस्तकालय से पुस्तकें लाकर उसे देता जिसकी उसे आवश्यकता होती थी, वह उसके लिए पुस्तकें भी पढ़ता था. Question 6. Who do you think did Patrick's homework, the little man or Patrick himself? Give reasons for your answer. आप क्या सोचते हैं पैट्रिक का गृह कार्य किसने किया? छोटे आदमी ने या स्वयं पैट्रिक ने? अपने उत्तर के पक्ष में तर्क दीजिए. Patrick himself did the homework. He read books for the little man. He guided him when he needed help. पैट्रिक स्वयं गृह कार्य करता था. वह उस छोटे आदमी के लिए पुस्तकें पढ़ता था. वह उसका मार्गदर्शन करता था जब उसे आवश्यकता होती थी. Fill in the blanks. First question. Some people find household dash a bore, but I like to help at home. Answer: chores. Second question. Who stole the diamond is still a dash. Answer: mystery. Third question. Thus dash we are going to have a class exhibition semester. Fourth one, dash the elf began to help Patrick. Answer, true to his word. Fifth one, can you dash this word in the dictionary? Answer, look up. Sixth one, I started early to be on time, but I was dash. There was a terrific traffic jam. Answer, out of luck. Seventh one, she says she has got a lot of books, but dash, I think most of them are borrowed. Answer, between you and me. Answers for crossword puzzle. Across. First one, very tired. Answer, weary. Second one, had an angry look on the face. Scowled. Third one, short trousers. Answer, breeches. Fourth one, a fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. Answer, glitch. Fifth one, a small and naughty boy, fairy. Answer, elf. Sixth one, down. Work that must be done every day, often boring. Answer, chores. Seventh one, a basket with a lid. Answer, hamper. Eighth one, gave a short, high-pitched cry. Shrieked. Here ends our exercises. If you like my video class, if you like my channel, do subscribe it and support it. We will meet again with another video class. Bye.